there has to be some level of emotional baseline where people can manage their lives in order to be able to use psychedelics safely. And I think that that is a really good indication. And it's not always appropriate to be in crisis and then go into a psychedelic space. However, I just want to throw it out there that if people with BPD ultimately had crises all the time from doing psychedelics, we would already know this from science, because people with BPD tend to have extreme behaviors when they're in like an activated state. And those extreme behaviors are considered risky behaviors, right? Risky sex, fast driving, drug use, right? Including psychedelics. So if psychedelics were so harmful for people with BPD across the board, we would have already had so many hospital admissions from people who were like, they're like, oh, you've already been diagnosed with BPD and you took LSD and look at what happened. And that is really not statistically the case.